Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how to use WhatsApp on your laptop or the WhatsApp web. Okay, so the first thing that you should do here is to download the WhatsApp application on your laptop. But before that, I'm going to show you first the website of the WhatsApp. Okay, so we're just going to open any of our web browser, and then using the search bar at the top, we just have to search for the WhatsApp. All right, so just type it right here, WhatsApp, and then you have this first website. So we just simply click on this one. Okay, so right here, as you can see, we cannot find an option where we can sign up in a web browser because we have to download the app first. But when we click on this login option, okay, as you can see, we have to follow this step, okay, in order for us to log in. Okay, so we have to open our WhatsApp on our phone. So make sure that your WhatsApp account is in your phone, or you are logged in to the WhatsApp application on your phone. And then, so on Android, you can tap the menu, and on iPhone, you can tap the settings and then find that link device option. Then you just have to click on the link device, and then you just have to scan this code to confirm. Okay, and then if you don't have an account yet, you just have to click on this get started, or you can also log in with your phone number. So here I'm just going to use my Android phone. Okay. And then the next thing that you are going to do here is to just open your WhatsApp application. Okay, so just make sure that your WhatsApp application is updated as well. So to check that, you can open your Play Store or your App Store, and then just search for WhatsApp. Okay, so let me just search for WhatsApp. That's right. And then you have this application. So let's just open this one. All right. So right here, you just have to click on these three dots at the top right of your screen. Right. And then just simply click on the link devices option. Okay, now to link the device, you just have to click on this link device option right here. Okay, and then you have to unlock your device. You can use your pattern or your fingerprint. Okay, then after that, you just have to scan the QR code from your laptop. Okay, so like this, and then just wait for a couple of seconds, and then after that, your account will now be open to your laptop or using the web browser. Okay, so as you can see right here, we are currently logged in. Okay, so let's try to open a conversation. Okay, so when you do that kind of method, as you can see, we don't need to actually download the application. Okay, so this is an alternative if you don't want to log in or download the WhatsApp application. So you just have to follow the step, and then you just have to scan the QR code in order for you to access your conversation using your laptop in your web browser. Okay, so we have here now our conversation, then we can message our clients or our friends. But still, I am going to show you as well on how you can log in to the application. So see, for example, we already downloaded the application. So to download the app, just simply click on the download option. This one. Okay, and then I just have to download the WhatsApp installer, and then you just have to save it in your computer or your laptop. And then you just have to come here. That's right. And then you just have to simply click on this one and then install the application. So after installing the application, let us now open my WhatsApp application on my laptop. That's right. Here we just have to do the same. So just simply click on the get started, and then you can open your phone. So again, I am going to use my Android phone for this one. All right. So let's just go here and then open again our WhatsApp account or WhatsApp application. All right. and then click on the three dots at the top right of your screen, and then go ahead and click on the linked devices. Okay, now click on the linked device option. Okay, so you can use your pattern or your fingerprint. Then after that, we just have to scan the QR code. All right. And then after that, you can now see here your account. Okay, so after a few seconds, your data or your conversations are now downloaded to your WhatsApp application in your laptop. So basically, using the WhatsApp web on a laptop makes communication much easier and more efficient, especially if you're already working on your computer instead of switching between your phone and laptop. So you can send and receive the messages directly on a bigger screen, and making typing faster and more convenient. It also allows you to handle attachments like photos, videos, and documents with ease, since you can drag and drop files directly from your computer. So this setup is ideal for work, studies, or business where multitasking is important and constant switching between devices can slow you down. Okay, so now let's focus here on the WhatsApp web. Okay, so to start a conversation, you just have to simply click on this plus option at the top, or simply click on the search or start a new chat. Okay, so right here, as you can see on the status section, you can add here status update if you want to. So see, for example, simply click on this one. Then you can add a photo status or video status or even text. Okay, so for example, resting. Right, after that, just simply click on the send option or upload option. And then you have here now your status. To view it, just simply click on it. All right. So right here on your channels, if you have channels, you'll be able to see that right here. And then if you would like to join channels, just simply click on the discover more or simply click on the follow option. And then if you have a communities here on WhatsApp, so you'll be able to see that right here. Then if you would like to create a new community, just simply click on this plus option at the top of your screen. All right, so you can bring together a neighborhood, a school, or more. You can create topic-based groups or for members and easily send them an admin announcement and more. And another thing in using your laptop, it also saves your phone's battery, since you can rely on your laptop for extended chats. So for professionals and freelancers, this is especially useful because it improves the productivity and keeps work and communication centralized in one device. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.